Welcome! Open the mesh properties by using Ctrl-Shift and click on the asset. Go to the outliner and create a new PBR material. Connect the new material to the asset node and change the values, like color, roughness, metallic, and more. Repeat the same step for the plastic part. Make the material a little bit more shiny by changing the roughness value. This time we repeat the same step, but to create an emissive material for the light. Choose a color Look for the emissive part and change the color and the intensity. Last, we need a material for the wheel. Connect it, and this time add a little bit of metallic. Thanks for watching. Till next time.